Hello guys, this is Ashwin Verma and today's date is 2nd May 2021. It's 1:42 p.m. in the night or in the late evening, and today's topic, or you may say the information that I want to give you, or not information, and actually it is the documentation of my life and my career. So yeah guys, from today onwards, this day will be the day zero of the challenge that I'm gonna start, or the challenge, the journey, or actually it's not a kind of a challenge, it's a kind of a journey of becoming something. It is a very short journey, or 30 to 40 days journey, and I'll tell you what. I'll tell you the whole thing, guys. From today onwards, from 2nd of May 2021, I'm starting a new journey, or you may say new challenge, and this challenge will all. This challenge will about this challenge or journey is about affiliate marketing. It means doing affiliate marketing with the help of sales funnel. uh yeah, basically is this. So guys, the main thing of this the main thing is, I'm starting a journey of 30 to 40 days in which I will do a I will practice sales. Listen to me closely, very closely. I will practice sales funnel and I will become better at sales funnel. And how? With the help of affiliate marketing. I will start affiliate marketing with the help of sales funnel, and in 30 to 40 days I will try to generate some cash out of it, and I will try to become better at sales funnel and of course sales funnel, email marketing, and affiliate marketing. And the reason I'm starting this challenge or a journey for myself is, it's been 2 years or 2.5 years, or actually it's been 2 years. I've not earned anything, and it's been 2 years since I graduated. So even after 2 years, even after spending 2 years after graduation, I'm not able to earn anything from anything, and that is why I'm very stuck right now. That is why I'm very lost right now. And this one thing I just found out of many things, and I'm thinking to be focused on one thing, and I'm very fickle minded. I keep on changing my plans and all that. That is I'm not earning right now, and that is why I'm starting new challenge and making this public, that I will um, do affiliate marketing with the help of sales funnels, email marketing, and all those things. And this is all about the challenge. In these 30 to 40 days of me doing affiliate marketing with the help of sales funnel, I will do all these things. And the main reason why I am starting this challenge or a journey is I want to earn. For that, I have tried affiliate marketing, but I was not successful because I was not patient enough. I was not working hard for it. And recently, I got to know about a sales funnel, and I watched the pretty good videos, number of amounts of videos, and I got to know more about sales funnel. And now I'm interested in making sales funnel. But for that, I need to practice sales funnel. For that, I should have a confidence on myself that whatever sales funnel I will build for some other person, that will work. And the confidence it will work always come from practice. So that is why, to seeing the result, to practice my sales funnel, to doing copywriting, persuasiveness, practicing sales funnel, I am gonna use affiliate marketing as a tool, as a weapon to practice sales funnel. And my focus primarily will be on how to build sales funnel, profitable sales funnel, and then I will focus on earning as an affiliate marketer. So this is number day zero of me starting affiliate marketing sales funnel journey, affiliate marketing sales funnel channel. I don't know the title of this challenge or journey. I don't know anything else right now of affiliate marketing and sales funnel. I'm totally a beginner, and I am having zero knowledge of practical implementation. And I am gonna build each and everything from scratch. From scratch means I have zero resources right now of becoming a good affiliate, of becoming a sales funnel practitioner, and all those things. So this is the day number 0 of my challenge or journey of uh, good becoming good at sales funnel and affiliate marketing. So bye guys. I will keep on uploading more videos. Bye. Hello guys, this is Ashwin Verma. This is actually the same day, day number 0 of me doing affiliate marketing or starting affiliate marketing sales funnel email marketing journey of becoming good at sales funnel. And I know I said that I will start from the day 1, and I'll go up to day 30 40, and but I couldn't wait much of tomorrow, and then I'll start my work. No, I'll just sit down with my piece of paper and a piece of pen. So I sat down and doing the things. So what I was thinking just before making this video is, instead of waiting for tomorrow, uh, what is the number one step I should take or I could take right now to initiate what I am thinking to start. So what I think, as I have no interest, so as the challenge is all about doing or becoming good at sales funnel, doing affiliate marketing, and doing affiliate marketing. For doing affiliate marketing, one should have interest. It means I should have some interest upon which or around which I will create content, and then I will promote related affiliate product with the help of that content via Instagram or Facebook ad. But the point is, I have no interest right now in any field like make money online. I don't have any idea, so that and that is why I can't create any content around that. Spirituality, I don't have any idea, I don't have any experience, that is why I can't create content around that. Parenting, no idea. Dog caring, no idea. And baby products, no idea. And email marketing, no idea. Any ebook or any kind of a knowledge around which I can create content, like creating an ebook or creating a list of checklist, I don't have any interest. And that is what bothering me, where the hell I should start. And that is why right now the solution I come up with right now as a first step I should take to start my this journey of becoming good at sales funnel and affiliate marketing. What I'm doing right now, or what I'm going to do right now, is I'm sitting with the pen and paper, and I'm going to list down all those fields in which I might have interest or I could be interested. I will list down all those fields in which I could be interested in the future, or in which there is a possibility, a little possibility, that I can create content around that, and then I will promote related affiliate product through Instagram ads, Facebook ads, or organically. And this is the number one step I am taking just to initiate this challenge from day number 0. And the step is, I am listing down all those things, all those fields in which I can create content. There is a little bit of chance of creating content. I will list that field in this piece of paper, and then I will be picking the number top 3, top 2 thing, and then I will start creating content around that, start promoting product even after 10-20 days. So this is the number one step that I'm taking right now. So I hope it will help me first of all, and if I succeed, it will help you. Bye guys.